Hey y'all, I'm going to show you the Royal Loft Suite on Wonder of the Seas. Welcome to another Journey with Josh. Y'all, this will be the last time I ever see something like this. Holy smokes. You have a blue baby grand piano greeting you as you enter the loft. To the left, you have a wet bar complete with coffee maker. You have one downstairs bedroom behind the piano that has a geometric window overlooking the ocean. There's also an ensuite bathroom with a large shower and double vanity. The living room has two swings, a gigantic television, and plenty of seating. Out on the balcony, there's more swings. There's also a hot tub on the balcony overlooking the ocean so you can soak up the sunsets. Back inside and up the stairs, you'll find the second bedroom on the loft. The upstairs bedroom provides plenty of space, including wraparound closets behind the bed. There's seating to relax and read a book, or just take in the views from the floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the ocean. In the ensuite bathroom, you're going to find a double sink vanity. And look at this soaker tub along with this massive shower area. There's a separate toilet area with sink and even more storage area. I wonder if they need more cabinet space for clothes. And finally, there's a desk behind the bed that can be used for work, and who would want to do that? Or apply makeup. So there you have it, folks. That was the Royal Loft Suite on Wonder of the Seas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for tripping with me.